Rima Fernandez. A very energetic morning. Hope you all are doing absolutely good, and welcome to this new vlog where we are going on our family vacation. A very short trip, and guess where it is? We are going to Coorg. So it is. It is around 5:45 now, and we are about to leave now. I'm very excited for this trip. We actually can't go for many days because we have our cats and our dogs, and it's very difficult to leave them because even they have that emotional attachment. It's difficult. So anyhow, we managed to find 2 days where all of our schedules were like aligning together. All of us were free, and finally today is day. I can't wait to take you guys along with me, so stay tuned with me. I will be taking you guys along with showing you guys whatever we do. We'll see whatever we eat, whatever activities we explore, where we stay, what we do, what happens, all of that. So full of excitement, and I hope even you guys watch this vlog with the same excitement that I've got. So let's start the vlog. Now our bags are all ready over here. Each one of us carrying the school bag, like each one of us, and it's time to go now.
So I don't know anything to say. I'm just vlogging her.
You're mad.
Vlogging her? What?
Vlogging.
Guys, there is rain. Like according to the weather, it's going to be rainy, but we don't know how we are going to manage. So that's the reason some of us are wearing shoes, some of us are wearing slippers, and
I can't wear slippers.
Why?
I've got dust allergy.
Yeah, she's got dust allergy. Your fault.
Slipper
But
kala connection.
I am the legend because I washed my shoes yesterday and it rained the entire day and my shoes didn't dry. So always like last moment, obviously. Cruzy and Callie, both of them have got their food really early today. So they are what?
Cali skill stick.
What skill? Yeah,
Kill
because
stick.
kill stick because there were those insects that come for the light. I don't know what's the name of those. Yeah, I actually forgot. So she's killed all of them and she's thrown their dead bodies. Few of them and she's killed their dead bodies over here.
And some
That energy that she's got, no. And few of them are near our doormat to show that she has killed. It rained so heavily yesterday that my mom's orchid flower, the Kale? No, it is called stem, not stem. What exactly is it called?
Full रहते हैं. Stem नहीं करना तुझे.
ये full नहीं है
हाँ ये
काले.
full होते हैं.
Okay, that full thing is only out. I mean broken. Wait, why isn't it getting focused?
हाँ ये ज़रा.
Zoda. What, you trying to fix it or what?
Yeah, sure.
As if it will fix.
Yeah.
Where is Jinu? Bye, Jinusu. Jinusu is inside. Bye, baby. Bye, Cruz. Bye, bye. Bye. Bye, Mama. Bye. See you.
Bye, you stay here.
Yeah, I will stay here. I would love to stay alone. Oh. Enough. Let's go. Bye, babes. Bibuzu, bye, Su. Chris is gone. Knockout. One down. And for breakfast, we thought of, we are in Kalladka right now. We thought of going to KT, but unfortunately, after reaching here, it was closed. Maybe because of the construction and all of this going on, the business is a bit slow. This is Lakshmi Ganesh.
KT hotel पे Lakshmi.
That's the Lakshmi Ganesh. Yeah, we found one more nearby, but on the opposite side of the road. So we are going there. I said the other KT shop is closed, but actually we spoke to the person over here. He said that shop over there opens at 7, whereas this shop, the KT one, opens at 5. So that was some kind of wrong information that I assumed that time. And now that our stomachs are full, completely full, the only tension right now that I have is potty tension. But we have to continue our journey. So now we will be going straight away and reaching our first destination. The position is shifted because my mom's Darlu son is sleeping over there. Not because of that actually, because I wanted the footage here. We get very good footage. I mean, we have reached Kalayandada? Sampaje. So that's the reason, the shift in the position. Awesome scenery. But all this while, three idiots were sleeping behind. Nice sleep. Even though night we didn't sleep here, we had a very good sleep. So right now we are at the Kodagu border. In Kodagu checkpost. This side belongs to us, that side belongs to Kodagu. And front we have some beautiful hills, which I will show. Wait. Repeat काले बड़े.
रिपीट काय ना
सांग ना.
तू या राणा भितर तर रिकला ना आपण तुका आता 25,000 देता मग
You think I would really go? You think?
ते
I would
दिवडाची
never.
खाते मेळाचे ते
That's not at all my cup of tea. Forest and snakes. Ale, Koni, if there is some company, right? Coffee, we are going out to coffee estate and all. We'll see. Ale, ma, if you come along with me, then I can go. I will go. What say?
ये कुको
What you are? You don't know the difference in coffee, cocoa. What is that? You are entering a reserved forest area. Okay. Understood. Cocoa meme. Rubber. This is rubber. Rubber. Kale?
ಕಾಡು ಮನೆ ಬೆಳೆರು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್
ಕಾಡು ಮನೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಡು ಹಂದಿಗೆ ಕಾಡು ಮನೆಗೆ ಕಾಡು ಹಂದಿ cardamom, yes, cardamom spice. Angathaste, yes, correct. Ma, look at the glow on my face, ma.
ಕಂಡಮಟ್ಟ
See? Oh my goodness.
ग्लो तुझे राइट साइड ही किया
No, but actually I can see the major difference.
मगर एक्सरसाइज करीचे बसन
Sweat out.
एक्सरसाइज केला
The toxins, yeah, putting out the toxins. Hey! Oh shit. Beehive, honey beehive.
दूसरा इटला
कंचा पूल आग.
स्विमिंग पूल
कया swimming pool?
ते सारी गोतुल
What cracking jokes, yeah. What joke?
तलकावेरी प्रकेला वशी तलकावेरी असं भागमंडला
भागमंडला नाही
It's a
ते
different
but
way.
त्रिशूलपुरा
माझ्या घराकडे
21 Madikeri. Accident zone goes slowly and it is such a good view. Not a good view, but also a good feel over here. It is cool. Cool. Now where are these boys going? They are going to pee. Potty pressure. Anyone's having potty pressure in the house? Huh? Kale? Oh shit. Oh no, that is just a cloth. Wow, look at the sky pattern. So beautiful, so beautiful. Sky pada mama. Sky is so beautiful. Wow, and these hills. See, it's mostly because of the rain. I mean, because it rained the past few days, we have got some pretty clouds as well as the fog here. And I really hope today the weather and the climate is all fine, because when I saw it in Google, it showed that it is going to rain. So hopefully, because right now it is really good. this is the, oh wow, this is a cardamom plant. Are you sure?
तू cardamom plant पढ़ा है cardamom
So my dad said it's cardamom. He's like, it's underground,
check in
kind
the
of root.
Google.
And now he's like, check it in the Google. Check Cyrus, Chris. Cyrus, check.
A few moments later.
So Cyrus, after all his Google research confirms that my dad was right. It is the cardamom plant. Very, astonishing. Like, going on the underground ge.
अंडरग्राउंड नहीं वही रहा
wire की बता ना
अंडरग्राउंड नहीं वही
Then how will they remove? Okay, through flowers or what? I hope we get to see such. I mean, somewhere here only. I mean, where we can go closer and look at the plant. But yes, it's there. Ma,
लड़ पड़ेगी
full of flowers. We'll stop by and see. Coffee is so common. Anyway, we have to go to that coffee plantation. So this is an impromptu spot. Like on the way when we were going, we saw they call it
त्रिवेणी संगम
the Dwara Kalamantat. Gopura nahi. Okay, whatever. I'm not getting the word. Saying Talakaveri, that is birthplace of Kaveri as well as Triveni Sangama. So first we came to Triveni Sangama where 3 rivers meet. Yeah, I am not really sure. Okay, I'll have to read. So the information is over here, which says that it's a meeting point of the river Kaveri, what is that? Kaveri, Kannike, and the mythical river Sujoti. So it's basically like a meeting point of the 3 rivers. So it's called Triveni Sangama. And look at the birdies over here. Birdies are drinking water. Oh. This is a place where all the 3 rivers meet. Probably because it's summer, the flow of the water is less, but also people go and have that holy bath. I see people over there as well as few of them dip their feet. And if you have to enter over here, you're supposed to leave your footwear outside, a very calm place. What ma? Yeah, the water is very clean, like it's very clear. You can see what it is. And here it's more like they have done it, like a park, a peaceful park. If you see, there is a tree over here, and all of that is like a garden with flowers. Nothing much to see. The entry is free, just to see the point of the 3 rivers meet. And if you want, you can chill in this place because it's really cool and calm over here. The water is freezing cold, you guys. It's freezing cold. Cold aane. Very cold.
very cold ने आमचे शू असतले ने
I want my chappals with me.
ये रे लो निसरा ता
ಕಾಲೆ
Kale.
ಫ್ರಿಜ್ ಅಂತ ಉತ್ಕಬ್ರಿ
कैसे कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार यहाँ पर. Hello guys, this is Cyrus here vlogging once again. Look at that piece of crap over there, carrying mom's bag.
Huh?
कुछ तो बोलो यार. So my mom and my sister have gone to the washroom, and my dad has gone somewhere, I don't know, and they have made me stand here and wait for them. Bag can't get ready. So yeah, the water's very cold over here. I guess my sister has already told everything. I don't know why am I repeating, but yeah, there can look at this guy.
Can't walk. Let's go. So done with what is that?
Bhagamandala.
Bhagamandala Triveni Sangama. Yeah, very good place and good washrooms too, even though it is paid.
very event man
What? He disappeared. That guy. I think.
टू व्हीलर
Why 2-wheeler kahin tha nahi aata. So yeah, The rest place is also good, neat and clean. And now we are going to Talakaveri, which is the birthplace of river Kaveri. There is some construction going on, but the problem is that of internet connection. If you want to use maps over here, you do not get internet connection, so that is an issue we are facing right now. So you just have to ask the locals and navigate. From Bhagamandala to Talakaveri, it's around 7 kilometers. But there is a toll that they collect at the entrance, not the entrance of the place, at the entrance when you enter the Talakaveri area. So there is a toll which is 30, 40, 50, depend on what kind of four-wheeler it is. So we have reached our destination, not exactly, but it's 1 minute walk from here. We'll have to go, but before that we have stopped to view the spectacular view that you're getting. Look at those clouds, it's really cool over here, but I think the camera is actually not doing justice, because what you see through your eyes, you can literally see the clouds pass just right in front of you, not exact right, but yeah, in front of you. But I don't think the camera will be able to, you know, just capture it. And then there is the temple over there, so you'll have to park here and then walk till there. But then there was a lady, it was a very kind gesture of her to just come and tell us that, you know, if you're going to the temple, you're not allowed to wear shorts, like you're supposed to cover your leg. Actually guys, what happened was, the moment we started walking towards temple over there, everyone whom we went were like, you're not allowed, you're not allowed, you're not allowed, because even for men and both women, you're supposed to wear complete traditional, like cover your full legs. Even for boy, shorts is not allowed. So we are not going over there. We are taking a U-turn, but we really enjoyed this view, and now we are going on to our next place. It is our snack break now. Actually, we didn't find like shops that have Lay's. I think Lay's is very rare, but I got into a shop and then I searched like whatever Lay's was left, whatever was remaining, I got. So it is now munchie time. Kaal reke packet don kata tumi patlan.
Bale tu ek aunai.
Ame kauna ne? Na. Chris asked for my packet. No, he didn't let me eat everything. Bingo.
1 hour later.
So we have finally reached the Coorg city. I mean not Coorg city, Madikeri city, and it is pretty much crowded and more like the roads of Mangalore and Bangalore, the same vibe. Ikat roads, houses, shops. Then you tell me what is the word? Hey, go straight. So I am sitting next to my dad navigating. Yeah, congested. Navigating. It is too much like, I think because it's the holiday season, tourists are more. So, and the roads are also narrow. So you can't even overtake someone and go. You'll have to follow the queue. We have finally arrived at Abhi Falls. Like for the parking there is a long wait. We'll have to pay rupees 50 for the parking, and I think to enter the falls also there are tickets, because I can see the ticket counter. But again, the road being narrow, that's the problem. There's a single line, one line that goes and the other line that comes back, and I can see few of the activities like that zip lining and all of that over here. Not sure where exactly it's happening, but I can see people moving from one corner to the other. Hopefully if we do get a chance, then we will do it. We parked our vehicle over there. Like there is a parking upstairs, but then they are like only if the person is in the vehicle, it's better you park it over there. There are 2 lanes, so the front lane people won't be able to remove it, so we parked there without intention. There is ample space for parking, you don't have to worry. And now the sun is actually, I mean it's cloudy and it is good. If not, it was really scorching hot. We removed our hats out and the sun is also gone. My mom and brother, they are over there because they stood near the ticket counter, so we will join them. This is the chaos that you will find near the ticket counter. I don't know why the cricket is in my mind. I can't spot Mama. She must be somewhere here. Mama has done a very good work because she took the ticket and the charge for the ticket is ₹10 per head, and for my brother it was free. Like, kitna years, Mama? Kids below 12 with free. There's no, actually, as per what I heard, it's like you have to walk for almost 10 minutes, but walking isn't an issue. The problem is of the steps. There are really like steep and very light steps. So walking down won't be a problem, but climbing them up is definitely an issue for me. So it's fine. But my mom, the moment she stepped, now it's just like, now we have to do some very good leg exercise, and we can already hear the water of the falls. It's really, I don't know if you can hear the background, but it's of the waterfall. So we have finally reached the falls. It is crowded here and there is like barricade and all of that put for protection. But before showing you all the falls, I'll show you a broken bridge. That is a hanging bridge that is broken, and this is the water flowing. Now coming to the special thing, that is this beautiful falls, Kadramandu. This is how it looks, very pretty. And I think the rush of the water is great because it rained yesterday. So I think that's making it adding a lot more beauty to it. Going. Yeah, if you can see that other space, I think, I'm not really sure, but if it would rain, then it would also like fall from that end. That's what my mom has to say. We are now climbing the stairs up, which is really tired. My mom and my brothers, they have gone ahead. Me and my dad are back over here. But it's a treat to your eyes watching the water flow. It is so beautiful if you are a water baby. Absolutely. So when you go to the parking area, you find so many stalls with some kind of nest and wine, spices. There is tender coconut, some refreshment, and also there is you get these souvenirs, and there is a zip line as well, which was there over here, but there are no one right now. Sad. So this is the zip line area. It's actually from the other end to this end, but the person over here says that it's the lunch time, so there's no one over here for now. I don't know if you guys can see, this is the start point and this is the end point. Anyway, I don't think we can join it because even we will be getting late for the next place that we guys have to go. Coorg is definitely known for its spices and chocolates and wines and all of this. So there was one place on the way when we went that my mom found really aromatic of the spices. So we thought while coming back we'll stop by it and see if there is anything good. So we are going to, maybe if it's really good then buy some, but the first thing is to check. And also there was a place where there was wine. It was like buy 2 for ₹500, but I don't know if it's really authentic or what. So this is the place we have come to. You can see these are some of the bird nests, beaver bird nest, and these are spices. Ma ye kaal hai? I don't know, like I actually don't know the names of some of the spices, and again some nest, and here you get some different kinds of wine, like of different fruit wine, I guess. And inside the store again you'll find so many chocolates. Wait, kalte hain kuch andada so you get so many chocolates. These are all chocolates over here, and oh wow, dark and white chocolate. And again, oh mama, coffee. actually smells divine. There's mixed smell of the toffees, the smell of chocolates, the smell of wine, the smell of coffee. All of it is really good. And again, it's the same over here. Amma, em box pade. All the spices in one. And this is sandal soup. Sandal soup, and this area is good for wine. Look at the collection. Really amazing collection of wine, definitely. So, and if it is something like buy one get one, then definitely a steal. And I think this is a coffee roaster or brewer machine. I am really bad with this coffee stuff because I'm not at all a coffee nor a tea person. So sorry if I've done any mistake. Also, we have done some Zabardast shopping of spices, of wine, and what else did we get, Ma? We didn't get chocolates. Yeah, we didn't get chocolates because calories do count, you know. So people are health conscious, lol. But the person was really good. He is also bubble wrapped. From Mangalore. Yeah, he's from Mangalore. The person, the owner, he's from Mangalore itself, and he was a dancer before. So now he's settled over here, and because we also got honey, a bottle. So all the glass bottles he has bubble wrapped very well, and now we have to keep all of it inside. Odimaga, beta. Cyrus is obsessed. And also we got to know about a new waterfall place. We have so many places to visit because the schedule that I had planned, it would go well, but my dad impromptu, we did the decision of Talakaveri as well as Tekanche. Sakali first place gelle, I forgot the name of the three Bhagamandal. Yeah. So there we wasted some of our time, not like wasted, but we spent some time there. So now we'll have to reschedule everything. Like we have so many places left, but now it's also lunch time, so that is also really important. We have now come to have our lunch to Greenland restaurant. It's not like a typical Coorg cuisine. We thought we'll go explore that later, but now we found this, and it's like recommended by many people, but I thought I will not show this in this vlog. Instead, I will do a separate vlog or a video of some really good food where you can find good food in Coorg. So that will be uploaded later. You guys can go and check that video once it's uploaded.
1 hour later.
Done with our lunch. Our tummies are full. We had a very good food at one of the good restaurants that we found. And now where are we going, Chris?
I have no idea.
Then why were you navigating the map?
Because I'm just saying the route. I don't know where we are going.
Good boy. So guys, now we are going to the coffee plantation to see some varieties of coffees and to do some wine tasting. I guess so, which should not take more than an hour because we have some other places to visit as well. So I don't know how the schedule is going to go, but let's see. Hoping for the best. Anything happens for sunset, we'll have to be back here because we'll have to come to the sunset point. But it looks like it's why is it stinking?
Stings.
It stinks. Cow dung. Cow dung, not cow
I guess
dung.
Cyrus
something.
pooped.
Yeah, Cyrus pooped. I guess.
गली स्मेल तुझे तोंडात
Then straight. Then yeah, so we'll have to be back here. So, but I don't know my left dada. No, straight.
Yeah, gela. GPS gela.
So then after that, what was I saying? Yeah, the other side it's completely dark, guys. It's like it'll pour cats and dogs, but this side is sunny But again, during sunset, if it rains, then our sunset, I guess the viewpoint will go. Don't know. Just planning with the flow. Then don't eat too much of potato. You will fart then.
Me.
Yeah. Oh, on the
Hello, mic testing 1 2 3.